Today I'm going to review this little Pint ice cream maker, and I'm going to see what I can do with this. This is really simple. I already put the little gizmo on here. This is the paddle, and it just slips up there into that. We got a little spoon or something here, and then this is the freeze part that goes into the freezer. Very simple. And let's see if we can make some ice cream out of it. Now you have your choice of colors. There's this teal one, and then there's another one that's red. And the price is really quite reasonable. It's $21.50 at the time of this posting. And I'll put a product link in the description below. Now there's not much to it. There's just a simple on-off switch. And that's all there is to it. So I'm going to wash it, and then I'll toss this into the freezer, and then we'll come back and we'll try it. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is separate my egg yolks from my eggs here. Alright, I'm going to take 2 cups of heavy cream. One cup of whole milk. Two-thirds cup of sugar. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Some vanilla. I'm going to heat this up slowly, and I'm going to check it. I want to bring this up to 170 degrees. Alright, this is up to 170 degrees. I'm going to pour some of this into my egg yolks. And then I'm going to go back into the cream. And that brought it down about 20 degrees. Okay. So this is up to 170. I shut the gas off. I'm going to let this cool, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Alrighty now, this has been in the freezer for a while and it's frozen solid. You can't hear any sloshing. You put the little paddle on. And here's a cup of the ice cream mixture, and I put it in its own container and put it in the fridge, and this is cold. This is probably 35 degrees. Alright, we'll churn this and see how it goes. It's been a couple of minutes and it's already starting to slow down a bit. I can hear it. We'll just check here and see how it's coming along. Yeah, it's starting to get thicker. Alright, it's probably been about 20 minutes. I'm not sure. Whoops. It's starting to thicken up quite a bit. I think it needs to go a little bit more. Alright, now I have pre-frozen this, so this is nice and cold. So I'm going to take some of it out and put it in here, and then of course I'm going to eat some of it. it looks like it's pretty fluffy and aerated, that when you aerate it like that, it becomes lighter. Give a little taste. It's pretty good. So I don't really I don't feel any ice crystals or anything like that. It's very smooth, and that's the egg that goes in there. It acts as an emulsifier, and it reduces the iciness. If you were to just do with no eggs, most people think it has an icy texture. I like it. It's very simple, very quick. I think I'll just go ahead and finish this bowl. And it worked great. And this, okay, it's starting to melt a little bit. So I was wondering if I could maybe do a second batch, but I don't think you can. I think this has to be solid. So when it starts to slosh around like that, you need to wash it and put it back in the freezer. But anyway, the first batch was a huge success. So thanks for watching. The product link is in the description below, and subscribe for updates if you want to see more recipes like this one.